Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking tasks? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is your ultimate kitchen solution for 2025. Imagine replacing 9 different appliances with just one incredible device, simplifying meal prep like never before. This powerhouse acts as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan sterilizer, and more. Truly a game changer for any home cook. With 15 customizable programs, cooking perfect meals is literally at your fingertips, whether it's a quick dinner or a gourmet feast. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means easy cleanup and healthy cooking, something every buyer looks for in kitchen appliances. What makes the Instant Pot Duo Plus special is its intuitive design and smart technology, taking the guesswork out of complex recipes. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Check out the link in the description to grab your own Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon. If you're looking for the best kitchen appliance to save time, space, and effort, this review confirms it's worth buying. It's the ultimate upgrade that truly delivers on its promise of delicious, stress-free meals for years to come. We highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus for anyone serious about elevating their kitchen in 2025. Don't miss out.